How to find YouTube channel ID. Have you ever wanted to have a quick and efficient way to find your channel? Stay until the end of the video because today we will show you how you can do it very quickly and efficiently. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, you need to open YouTube on your computer. When YouTube opens, find your profile picture and click on it. It is located in the upper right corner. When you're done, a list will appear where you can see some basic information about our channel and select some of the options. We will find the settings option in this list and click on it. The options that we can do on our channel will be displayed here. However, we need the one near the top just below the basic channel information. Find the View Advanced Settings option and click on it. This will open a window where you will see your channel ID. You can also copy it quickly and easily by clicking the copy button and use it for whatever you need. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.